Hey, what's up everyone? Today we have a unit from Newahair. This is the packaging for the unit. I received a free wig cap and I also received a free rat tail comb by Tony & Guy, so I was happy about that. Here is the inside construction of the wig. It is a 360 13x6 unit. It is a glueless unit and it does come with this detachable elastic band. Here is how the hairline came. I did bleach the knots and I plucked it as well. This is the overall texture. This is basically how it came out the box, you guys. And once again, another look at the hairline. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the styling part of the video.
So and sad. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I got her open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
Till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight, not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man, I still got scores to settle, man, I crept down the block, made a right, cut the lights, paid the price, niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, nothing nice, Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like. We like, lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on checks. See the shots that I took, wet like on Brooke, wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him, trying to clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Have me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson sell, he's sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. La Ferrari, some Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, the shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes. Yeah, by the book. Yeah, this how it look. Yeah, about to check. Yeah, just check the foots. Yeah, pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Yeah.
Drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if you niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it then you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You should follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt, it's a large. I don't care, I catch a ghost. 2 kids in 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Type of money you gon' do tonight. Type of money you gon' do bank. From the hood, type of money make you sell bank. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, low bank. Big bank, tight, low bank.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know titties shining like a acrylic. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrows. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bank roll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try.
Big bank, tight, low bank. Big bank, tight, low bank. Type of money you gon' need sight. Type of money you gon' need bank. From the hoes, type of money make you sell bank. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, low bank. Big bank, tight, low bank.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. Everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse of my family not having it. I'm passionate like girls that's after more than just cash and dick. Feed me to the wolves, now I lead the package. You boys all cap, I'm more college cap, but Nick, I'm rare as affordable healthcare. Or growing the wealth from welfare. I turn my W's to M's, yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 points, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
Big bank, tight, low bank. Big bank, tight, low bank. Type of money you gon' need sight. Type of money you gon' need bank. From the hoes, type of money make you sell bank. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, low bank. Big bank, tight, low bank.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I met Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time, abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bums mad again. Back to them, I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank out. Tell tip rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my like a stank house.
Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. Feel like a child, like I put those.
Okay, you guys, so this is officially the finished look. What y'all think about this bob though? You feel me? I think this is a cute way to kind of like jazz up your bobs, especially for people who like to have like the whole half up, half down type of vibe. When I see this, I just feel like college girl. I feel like school girl. Like this is a 13x6 unit, which I thought would be perfect for today's hairstyle because it's 6 inches deep all the way to the back. There is tracks like in the center, so even though this is a 360 wig, it's only laced like around and then like the side, front, and then the middle. This unit is 12 inches in length, so if anyone was wondering how long the unit is, it is 12 inches. Here's where it's currently hitting me, which is basically like at my shoulder. It's not like too much past there. This is also a glueless wig, which means that you don't need to use any type of adhesive or anything like that for it. You could use the elastic band, but I did take the elastic band out of mine. That's only because like I like my wigs tight, but I don't like them too tight. And with elastic bands, like I personally only use the elastic bands if I'm gonna be putting my hair up in a ponytail. So that's really the only time that I use it, but I do like that it's detachable, so that means that it is an option. If you want to use it, you can. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. But yeah, still all in all, love this freaking hair. I think it looks so beautiful. Okay, honey. Absolutely love this wig. So shout out to newahair for sending over this unit. And if you want to get the exact same wig, I will have it linked down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.